Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel today. We'll be making this versatile kitchen staple, ginger and garlic paste. This simple recipe will add a boost of flavor to your dishes. Let's get started, darling. First, gather all your ingredients, which is ginger garlic. I bought ginger and garlic in equal proportion, not too much garlic, not too much ginger, but with just your eyes. In Africa, with just your eyes, I was able to make sure that ginger and garlic are of equal proportion. I peeled them. After peeling, I went ahead to dice them in small pieces in order for my blender to give me a very smooth paste easily. After peeling and cutting them into smaller sizes, I went ahead to wash them like 2-3 times. You can see the water is now very clean, after which I went ahead to blend for a very smooth paste. While blending, in order for the paste to be smooth and give you a very fine blend, I added vegetable oil. If you have olive oil, you can use. If you have coconut oil, you can use. I also added a pinch of salt in order to preserve it. This is me adding the vegetable oil. Just added a little. If it's too thick, you can also add more vegetable oil according to your desire of thickness. But here I added just little quantity of the vegetable oil. So I blended till they are very smooth. I went ahead to do this. I repeated this till all my ginger and garlic were smoothly blended. So I went ahead to transfer. This is my So I went ahead. See, this is me adding a pinch of salt, as I said earlier. So after blending all, I went ahead to transfer into airtight container. Yes, and then keep it in your fridge. If you keep in the fridge, it will last up to 2 to 3 weeks. But if you want a longer storage, what you do is to put it in your freezer. So what I do here is I will divide my ginger garlic into 2 portions. I put one in the freezer and then the other one that I'll be using for now in the ordinary fridge. So this is me checking the paste to make sure there are no lumps, there are no leftover of ginger garlic. So this is it. I started transferring it to the airtight container, after which I'll just store it in the fridge and freezer, as I mentioned earlier. There is nothing much about it. It's not difficult. It's not rocket science. Just add your oil to the ginger and garlic and blend till they're very smooth. Store in airtight container and then keep in your freezer or fridge as you may want. Thank you for watching. Thank you, and I hope this video was helpful. If it's really helpful to you, please comment, like and share. Thank you for coming through and thank you for watching. I love you. Bye.